وذكر فإن الذكرى تنفع المؤمنين.
Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created the body of Adam alayhi salam first. That is what appeared physically in front of the angels and in front of Iblis when he was still in the paradise. When he was as a body, it lay there motionless, still. It wasn't moving. There was no life in it. Then Allah Azza wa Jal, after some time, He commanded the angels with something special, unique, that had never happened before that, from the time Allah Azza wa Jal had created everything until Adam alayhi salam. Allah Azza wa Jal commanded the angels and He said to them, فَإِذَا سَوَّيْتُهُ وَنَفَخْتُ فِيهِ مِنْ رُوحِي فَقَعُوا لَهُ سَاجِدِينَ. Allahu Akbar. Such a huge event that Allah Azza wa Jal records in the Qur'an. He says to the angels, once I fashion and I design Adam alayhi salam, and then once I blow the ruh into him, ruh, the soul, as soon as it's blown into him, فَقَعُوا لَهُ سَاجِدِينَ. All of you angels fall into prostration, a prostration of respect and honor to Adam alayhi salam. And so, this mighty scene unfolds in the heavens. Jibreel alayhi salam would make a sajdah. Jibreel alayhi salam, the angel who one of his 600 wings covers the entire heavens, made the sajdah. وإسرافيل وملك الموت وحملة العرش, those who carry the throne, 8 of them. One of them, Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, I've been given permission to share one piece of information about the carrier of the throne. Between his earlobe to his shoulder is a distance of 3 days of fast travel. Allahu Akbar. All of these angels making sujood to who? To Adam alayhi salam. Who's Adam to us? Our father. Why? The question is why? Why were they commanded to make a sajda of honor? What honored mankind? I tell you what honored mankind. You answer. Was it his soul or his body? Most definitely his soul. Because when he was there as a body, no one was commanded to make a sajda. As soon as the soul was put into him, this is when the angels were commanded to make a sajda. Even what gave you and I our honor, our worth, our value is our soul. Our soul. This is what we're supposed to look after, the soul. This is what we want to achieve at the end of our life. A pure soul, a pure heart that stands before Allah Azza wa Jal. Because this is what gave you honor. But I tell you something, my brothers and sisters in Islam, how sad is it today that the vast majority of mankind focus on their body and neglect their soul. This is evident in the question of people. I'm speaking among us Muslims. The questions that we receive: is Botox permissible? Are fillers permissible? What about veneers? Is it permissible? A hair transplant, is it permissible? Lifts, are they permissible? These are the people's questions. It's all about the body. It's all about the body. Where's the question of, teach me a hadith that would purify my soul? Teach me a hadith that brings me closer to Allah Azza wa Jal. Instead of changing your nose, teach me a hadith that will change my character and my personality. Where are these questions? They didn't exist. Rarely do they come. And at the end of the day, when a person dies, his body is taken as it is and it's put into the dirt. Put into the dirt and closed. And the worms chew on it and eat it. And if there's silicon in the body, it's not chewed, because the worms don't eat silicon. Subhanallah. And the soul is honored. Doesn't end up there, it goes up. It goes up to Allah Azza wa Jal. The soul. There is honor, there is worth, there is value in it. Those in the past used to look after their soul.